Students, in our previous lecture you have studied about the image formation by convex mirror lens and concave lens. Now we are going to study the lens formula and magnification of lens. There is a little bit difference in the lens formula that than of mirror formula, as we know that mirror formula is 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f. But here in lens formula only difference is there that the object distance it should be taken as negative and rest of the things they are same. 1 minus 1 upon object distance plus 1 upon image distance is equals to 1 upon focal length of lens. It means minus 1 upon u plus 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f, and this formula is same for both convex lens as well as concave lens. Now magnification produced by the lens. As we know that magnification is the ratio of size of image, either we can call it as height of image to the size of object or height of object. So magnification is equals to size of image upon size of object h dash upon h. If we want to write down this magnification in terms of u and b, then the formula is magnification is equals to h dash upon h is equals to v upon u. As you observe in mirrors there is minus v upon u. Here the negative sign it is omitted. Now we have sign conventions for spherical lenses. These sign conventions they are similar as in the spherical mirrors. That all the distances are measured from optical center of a lens. Earlier in mirrors we measure it from the pole of the mirror. Second, the distance measured in the direction of propagation of incident ray of light are taken as positive, while opposite to the direction of propagation of incident ray of light are taken as negative. This is similar. Third, upward height with respect to principal axis are taken as positive, while downward height with respect to the principal axis are taken as negative. These two they are same, only one difference is there in the first, that now all the distances they are measured from the optical center of the lens. So here is the figure. We can well understand from this figure that this is the lens. O is the optical center of the lens. All the distances they are measured from this optical center. As this is the right side and this is the left side. As we know, all the distances towards the left side they are opposite to the incident ray of light, they are considered as negative, and all the distances which are on the right side or in the direction of incident ray of light they are taken as positive. Now here you will remember that all the real images they are formed in the right side of the lens. So here the real image its sign it should be taken as positive, and all the virtual images they are formed in the left side of the lens they are taken as negative. It is reverse as in the mirrors. Object height it is positive, image height it is, if it is below the principal axis then it is negative, if it is above the principal axis then it is taken as positive. Now next one topic is our power of a lens. Power of a lens is defined as the reciprocal of focal length of lens. It is denoted by capital P. So the formula is power of a lens is equals to 1 upon f in meters. If the focal length in meters, then it should be written as 1 upon f in meters, but it should be mentioned in your formula whether you are taking the focal length in meters or in centimeters. If you are taking the focal length in centimeters, then the formula it becomes 100 upon f in centimeter. Power of a lens is the capacity of a lens to converge or diverge the rays of light falling on it. If it is converging the ray of light which are falling on it, then it means the lens is convex lens. If it diverges the rays of light, it means we are dealing with the concave lens, and we know that the focal length of convex lens, it is positive, then the power of this convex lens, it is positive. And if the focal length it is negative, then the power, it is negative, then there is a concave lens and it diverges the rays of light which are falling on it. SI unit of power of a lens, that is diopter, and it is denoted by capital D. So how can we define it? Power of a lens is said to be 1 diopter if its focal length is 1 meter. Either we can say 1 diopter is equals to 1 meter inverse per meter. And this is the power of a convex lens is positive because its focal length is positive. Power of concave lens, it is negative because its focal length is negative. Now if the combination of lenses that is given to us and the power of two lenses that is given to us, then the formula for calculation, that is the total power of the lens which is given in combination, that is equal to the sum total of these two lenses, that the power of first plus power of second. If we want to calculate it in terms of focal length, then 1 upon f focal length, total focal length, is equals to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. This is all about your chapter light, and we will do the exercise questions in our next lecture. Thank you.